In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional travel agency website on Wix. Open your browser and head to wix.com. Sign in to your account or click sign up or get started to create a new one. Once you're in, go to your Wix dashboard, open My Sites, and select Create New Site in the top right. When asked what kind of website you're creating, type travel agency, click Next, and let Wix prepare your customized dashboard. You'll be prompted to add some basic business details. Enter your business name and address if you have them ready, or click Next to skip and add them later. Next, set your working hours so clients know when you're available. Under Services, choose what you offer. Things like flight booking, hotel reservations, or tours. You can also create custom services with your own pricing, which is helpful if you offer specialty packages. If you have a team, you can add staff here by entering their details or simply skip and return later. Then choose the tools you want to use. Options like accepting online payments, selling products, booking forms, and a members area can be enabled now so they appear in your dashboard automatically. Click Continue to Dashboard to proceed. On the homepage of your dashboard, click Set up your first service. Give it a clear name, write a helpful description, and set a price. You can always add more services later in the services section. Now click Set up payments to connect how you'll get paid. You can link PayPal for online payments or enable manual methods such as cash or checks. Click Connect or Save when you're done. Next, let's design your site. In the left panel, open Home and click Design Site. You can let Wix create a site for you for a quick start, or choose a template if you prefer full control. After the setup finishes, you'll see a screen to upload or edit your logo, enter your business details, and link your social accounts. You can also skip and handle this in the editor. Pick a theme that matches your brand and then choose your favorite homepage layout from the options shown. Wix will generate your site. Click Go to Editor, then add key pages like About Us, Destinations, Reviews, Services, and Contact. Customize the homepage by editing text and images, updating headings and descriptions, and adjusting colors and fonts. Use Add, then Elements to place buttons like Book Now or Contact Us, plus galleries, videos, or embedded forms. Move through your other pages, polish the copy, and use mobile view to make sure everything looks great on phones. When you're happy, click Preview, then Publish. Finally, back in the dashboard, open Get Found on Google or SEO, add your business description, services and destinations, and location and contact details, and follow the steps to boost your search visibility. That's how you create a professional travel agency website on Wix. With a few simple steps, your agency can have an online booking hub that showcases destinations, services, and reviews while accepting payments and bookings directly from your site.